I'm going to show you how you can withdraw from Binance onto a bank account. First off, you want to log into your Binance account and then you want to click on wallet and then on overview. After that, you want to click on withdraw. After you click on withdraw, you want to choose the currency you want to withdraw and then you want to click on the bank transfer EFT, right? So not link payments, but EFT, that one. And then you will be asked to fill in your bank account details. So you'll have to fill it in. So enter in your bank name, your account number, and also your account type. And then after that, you will have to click on confirm. You can add up to 5 bank accounts, by the way. After that, you need to enter the amount you want to withdraw and then you'll click continue. And then you will see a transaction fee if there is any. After that, you can review the withdrawal details and then you have to click confirm. After that, remember that the bank account holder's name must match your Binance account's name, so be wary of that. After that, you will have to complete a two-factor authentication and then you'll click on submit and then that's it. You're done. You can see right now, withdrawal order submitted, and then you can check your transaction history as well to see if it works or not.